Dear friends and students, I am Nakul. Welcome to Math Study Center. From thumbnail, you already know what I will discuss in this video. I have discussed every section very well. There are so many important examples, there are so many important exercises in this video which will be very helpful for all of you. So watch this video from first to last. If this video helps you even a little bit, give a thumbs up, leave your comment and share this video with all of your friends. Okay, let's start our discussion.
Well, in this chapter of complex number, these are the following topics which are kept in your class 11 as well as joint entrance examination syllabus. In this video, I will explain these three topics: topic number 1, topic number 2, topic number 3, and in second video I will explain topic number 4, and in third video I will explain topic number 5. Before starting discussion, I want to mention three things. Number 1, watch this video at least in 720p and in 1.25x speed so that you need a little bit less time to finish this video. Number 2, all the contents of this video has taken from NCERT, R.D. Sharma and many other books. Number 3, everything I will explain has already written on screen. I will just explain them one by one, so read them which are already written on screen and follow my explanation. That will be enough. Okay, let's start. First I will explain topic number 1, that is need for complex number, or why we should study complex number system. Have a look. Need for complex number is, this is our general equation of quadratic equation, ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. This equation has two roots. They are x is equal to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. We can write down then alpha is equal to minus b plus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by twice a, and another beta is equal to minus b minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Now these two roots alpha and beta will be real if b square minus 4ac greater than is equal to 0, because if b square minus 4ac greater than is equal to 0, then root over of b square minus 4ac, this portion is a real number, but if b square minus 4ac less than 0, then root over of b square minus 4ac, this is not a real number. This is not a real number because we know square of any real number is a non-negative quantity or a positive number, but if b square minus 4ac less than 0, then root over of b square minus 4ac, this is square of root over of b square minus 4ac is b square minus 4ac, which is less than 0. So when b square minus 4ac less than 0, then we can say that b square minus 4ac, this is not a real number. Clear? So if b square minus 4ac not a real number, when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots alpha and beta obviously not a real number. So then we need different number system which is larger than our real number axis, when b square minus 4ac less than 0, then we need a larger number system where we can find the solution of this quadratic equation. Clear? That's why we need to understand complex number system. Okay, now I will explain idea of complex number. What is complex number? This is, first we will denote this root over of -1 is equal to I. This I is called IOTA, iota. Since I is equal to root over of -1, this implies I square is equal to -1. Okay, now coming to definition. A number a plus ib is called a complex number. Number of the form a plus ib, where a and b are real numbers, is defined to be a complex number. Okay, so z is equal to a plus ib. Ib is a complex number where a and b belongs to our real numbers. Okay, this is an example. A plus 3i, 2 plus 3i is a complex number. This 2 is equal to a and this 3 is equal to b. Okay, similarly this is a complex number, this is also a complex number. Now if z is equal to a plus ib is a complex number, then this part a is called real part and this is denoted by r is z, and b is called imaginary part which is denoted by imz. Okay, this is an example. Z is equal to 2 plus I5, then real part is 2 and imaginary part is. Now I will explain modulus and conjugate of a complex number. What is modulus? Let z is equal to a plus ib is a complex number, then modulus of z is denoted by mod z. This vertical two lines is called mod, M-O-D, mod. Mod z is equal to root over of a square plus b square, where z is equal to a plus ib. Okay, this is an example. Z is equal to 3 plus I is equal to 3 plus 1 into I. This is equal to a plus ib. This implies a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 1. So mod z is equal to root over of 3 square plus 1 square. Clear? Similarly, this is another example. Now conjugate of a complex number. What is conjugate of a complex number? If z be a complex number, z is equal to a plus ib, then conjugate of this complex number z is denoted by z bar. This is z bar. Z bar. Z bar is equal to a minus ib. Okay, where a and b are real number. This is an example. If z is equal to a plus ib, this is z is equal to our z is equal to 3 plus 1 into I. So z bar is equal to 3 minus I. Here this is also an example of modulus, conjugate of a complex number. Clear?
So dear friends and students, if this video helps you even a little bit, give a thumbs up, leave your comment and share this video with all of your friends. Okay, until next video, stay well, stay safe, tata.